Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. I've got a cool one today for you. I have my eye on these motors for a month or so, and then I finally, it's like, oh, I gotta order these, and then I ended up contracting myself out, if you will, to a brother in the club named Timber John, and I'm building a super smoking bird for him, and I'm gonna do a video on that later today, actually, because it's gonna be done. And but anyway, I wanted to kind of do an overview of these motors first before I put them on the bird. Then I'm going to show you the bird, and then we're going to do a pop test or a flight test, whatever, whichever. It's raining really bad, so I don't think it's going to be today. But these motors, disclaimer, they're from Germany. I don't think you can get them anywhere in the United States. Don't quote me on that. I'll put the link in the description for where I got them from. But they, for all four, with shipping from Germany to Ohio, I believe was 98 bucks for all four. But here it is. Boom, look at it. Oh, I cannot wait to try these. Listen to that. Bam. These are AMAXinnos, I-N-N-O. Don't know if you can see that there. They are a black matte finish. And read all the specs in the web page, and when you go to it to check them out, scroll all the way down. They have all the motor chart tests from Brother Hobby and T-Motor, comparing them. I'm obviously not going to get that anal about it, but they are very German, and I work for the Germans. They do very, very good machining, very high quality stuff. And these are 2305, 2550, 2 to 6S. That's why I got them, because the bird I'm building for my brother Timber is a 6S bird, from the flight controller all the way down. These things are just going to scream. What I want to point out, though, look at how the precision in the windings. There's no overlap except for the ends, obviously. Very, very tight. If you look, hopefully this is picking this up, the stator distance from the magnet is exceptionally close. Look at that. Bam! I mean, and they are so smooth. They're notchy, just notchy enough. They have the screw for removal. If you need to swap bearings, clean them out, whatever, instead of the C-clip, because C-clips are a pain in the ass, as we know. Open bottom bell. Very, very sharp. Very nice. Let's see what they weigh. Okay. On the scale that only fibs. 32G. So that's with the full length wire, obviously. So, oh shit. Yeah, and thank you guys. Thank you, my blessed German friends. You gave me long motor wire, so I don't have to piss around with that. They're even CE certified, which is the European UL, if you will. But yeah, very, very pumped about this. Wires are nice and long. Yeah. I'm planning on getting these for myself. These originally were for myself, and then my buddy and I decided, let's build a mega bird. So we're building a mega bird, and it's going to him. So if these perform, I'll be ordering a set of these probably tonight. It did take about 2 weeks to get them, which really isn't too bad. And they came priority mail. I'd sign for them. Which is really cool. And yeah, just the quality and the machining on these. Curved magnets, which is important. You get a lot more of your torque from curved versus a flat magnet. Yeah. So stay tuned, and I will show you the next video that comes up is probably going to be an overview video of his bird with them mounted. It's going to be sick. Oh, gorgeous. I'm jealous. Anyway, kids, keep shining side up. Bam. Check these out. Later.
Bam, JJ!
Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ!
Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.